Welcome to our channel. As we approach the vibrant festival of Holi in 2025, it's time to immerse ourselves in the joy and spirit of this beautiful celebration. Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors, symbolizes the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. This lively occasion brings families and friends together, making it a perfect time to share love, laughter, and good wishes. Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting heartfelt Holi wishes and quotes in English that you can share with your loved ones. Step 1. Embrace the spirit of Holi. Begin by understanding the essence of Holi. It's all about spreading joy, forgiveness, and unity. Reflect on the relationships you cherish and the people you want to connect with during this festive time. Step 2. Choose the right tone. Decide whether your wishes should be formal, casual, or humorous. This will help you tailor your message to the recipient, whether it's a friend, family member, or colleague. Step 3. Crafting your message. Here are some lovely wishes and quotes to consider. 1. Wishing you a Holi filled with sweet moments and colorful memories to cherish forever. Happy Holi. 2. May your life be as colorful as the festivities of Holi. Embrace the colors of love, joy, and happiness. 3. On this joyous occasion of Holi, let's spread love and happiness. Wishing you a very happy Holi. 4. Colors of joy, happiness, and love to brighten your days. Have a wonderful Holi. 5. This Holi, let's paint the world with the colors of peace and harmony. Happy Holi. Step 4. Personalization. Add a personal touch to your wishes by incorporating the recipient's name or a specific memory. For instance, dear name, may our friendship shine as bright as the colors of Holi, wishing you all the happiness in the world. Step 5. Sending your wishes. Consider the best medium for sending your Holi wishes. Whether through social media, a heartfelt text, or a handwritten card, make sure your message reaches your loved ones during this festive time. Step 6. Celebrate together. If possible, gather with friends and family to celebrate Holi together. Sharing colorful moments in person will make your wishes even more special. As we celebrate Holi 2025, let's make it a day to embrace love, happiness, and the vibrant colors of life. We hope this guide helps you spread joy and positivity during this wonderful festival. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more festive content. Happy Holi!